What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, with the ETF approval, right? I don't think I said that right. ETF. My tongue got tied, I guess. But my ETF approval for Ethereum and multiple approvals, right? Could lead to something a lot bigger in the crypto market. And for a position that I know and love, and I've seen a lot of talk about it so far, XRP, right? It could lead to an XRP ETF. And what does that mean for XRP? What does that mean for the market? Why do I believe that that's going to be the case? And before I even get into this, I would like to know what you guys think. Go down there in the comment section right now and say whether you believe or you don't believe that XRP is going to have an ETF. Whether you think also that it's going to help XRP. Feel free to put that down there. And I know there'll be people that are for it, people that are against it, but I want to know what you truly believe will be the benefit and what you think will be the downfall. Don't give me just some sort of blanket statement like this is amazing or it will be because it's XRP, or to say it won't be because it's XRP. I would like to know some details as to why or why not. So we're going to talk about this within this video. We're going to go through XRP and show you where things are, as well as giving my perspective on the ETH spot ETFs, as well as the XRP spot ETFs that could be a thing. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, don't forget about my link in the description for Margex. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to do so. That link is at the top of the description. You can trade XRP at up to 50x leverage, Ethereum at 100x leverage if you want to. However, it's very risky if you do so. So feel free to utilize those links down below if you so choose. But we're here to talk about the Ethereum as well as potential XRP ETF. And if we look at the overall market and how things are running, and this is as of 7:44 a.m. I don't know when this will be posted, maybe at like 12. We may see the market absolutely explode by then, and hopefully it is. But currently, the market is at a 3.4% decrease, or 2.5 trillion. Seeing Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, Tether down, well, Tether slightly down, BNB, Solana, XRP is slightly up. You see Dogecoin that's slightly down, and so on and so forth. Right, the rest of the market is down, and this comes on the crux of. Let me go ahead and reject all of these of the SEC approving 8 Ethereum ETFs, including BlackRock and Fidelity. Now, I said in my last video that this is big, right? Seeing that for the long term, absolutely big. I know people want the impact for the short term, but for the long term, it means a lot to have those traditionalists, the utility, the adoption of the crypto market by people that may not be truly for crypto, but investing in crypto without actually investing in crypto, if that makes sense. It allows people that are on these platforms solely to invest into cryptocurrency and be a part of it. Be a part of the journey without getting a Coinbase account or a Kraken account or a decentralized wallet or whatever. But that's a big deal. Now, with this approval, or with these approvals, you now see some hype for XRP spot ETF. So it opens the door for XRP spot ETF. Now, typically with Bitcoin ETF, after that, it brought up attention to XRP and Solana and a lot of other top cryptocurrencies that could get an ETF for themselves, for their own. But let's go into this. ETH spot ETF market news raises hopes of an XRP spot ETF market. On Monday, the news hit the wires of the SEC requesting ETH spot ETF issuers to update 19B-4 filing urgently. The news fueled a 19% increase in ETH rallying and a total crypto market cap, a gain of 9.18%. Basically $214 billion. Now, we know that the SEC has had the approval of that. If the SEC approves the first batch of ETH spot ETFs, it might encourage issuers to submit applications for XRP spot ETF. what would be next? It seems like that's the next in line. I really don't see much about Sol. I really don't see much about BNB or any other top currency that's above XRP, but I see a lot of conversation around XRP in general. So in November 2023, XRP surged to a high of 75 cents on fake news of BlackRock filing an XRP spot ETF, even though we still don't know if that was fake, right? That doesn't make sense how you can truly file that and go about having that listed there for that long. It seemed like it was real. The market reaction reflected the price impact of an XRP spot ETF market on XRP. However, the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case remains a hurdle for the issuers vying for an XRP spot ETF market. So, I mean, the conversation is there, right? And I don't think we need to really go into anything further. I mean, you can kind of go into the case nearing its conclusion, but we understand that that is a hurdle, right? We've talked about that. But let's talk about the XRP spot ETF. Do you think that that's going to be a thing, right? We have Ethereum, we have we have BTC. We now have Ethereum that's approved. I've seen no conversation about, BNB. I've seen no conversation about Solana. I've seen no conversation about anything else, but XRP is definitely within the mix. Now, I do think we're going to see an XRP ETF. I feel like the amount of transactions, the amount of volume that flows through that, it's just, phenomenal to have that. Now, obviously, with Bitcoin and Ethereum seeing $43 billion and $46 billion respectively, right? But then going into the single digit billion-dollar range for volume is you want to see maybe a little bit more than that within there. But I think XRP definitely will have a spot ETF. It creates strength not only within that position. If you have something that has a major amount of utility, like an Ethereum, I can't say a Bitcoin that's really just a store of value, but seeing that value and investing into that ETF obviously is a whole nother thing. But what I want to see is something that's all encompassing. I mentioned this in my last video. I want to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, just whatever, all in one ETF, or having a gaming sector ETF, or having a transaction-based ETF. Whatever the situation is, or whatever the sector is, have a certain amount of coins that are in these ETFs rather than just a single ETF. And I think this is just the launching point. This is a starting point to where you're going to see Bitcoin, you're going to see Ethereum, you're going to see XRP, as an ETF, and create that stability, create that strength. This is just my opinion. I truly believe that we will see it. It's going to be next in line, because those are the only conversations that I see. And maybe it's because the only conversations that I'm looking for, but it's the only conversations that I see is that XRP is the next in line after these approvals. So then what happens there? Well, now we have a filing, a real quote unquote real filing for the XRP spot ETF or multiple ETFs. And then we have a conversation on maybe including multiple things into these ETFs, or doing separate things and more separate ETFs for individual positions. I really don't see the point in continuing to do that. Once you have the top, maybe 5 positions that you're looking to create ETFs on, now let's look to create something that has multiple things in it, right? That move together. And then you see the price action based on that. So I'm excited. I'm excited for what it will be. It's not 100% confirmed that the XRP ETF is next, but that's the way that I feel it is next, in my opinion. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I would like to know what you guys think about it. I said this in the beginning. Do you believe that we're going to get one? Do you believe that it's going to have an impact? Do you believe that it's even worth it, right? So let me know in the comment section below, but hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out my link for Margex down below, but I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.